Rolling.
But it's not just having the life, it's what do we intend to do with it. And that's why we come into rooms like this, because it's how can we get even stronger and how can we get even better. It's doing what others don't even think about doing because they don't enter into rooms like this. That's why I love this group. Make some noise for Tim
Number one, I commend you for being here, right? You can be a lot of different places. There's a lot of noise that happens in life. The best return on your dollars you will ever get is in your own mindset, in relationship capital, and that's what you should be spending your money on.
Are you ready for a comeback? Are you ready to fly?
all the way, Ray Gonzalez.
You gotta have that strong will. You gotta be uncompromising. You gotta do it when it's hard. Okay, when you don't want to do it the least, when you have that dark night of the soul and you don't want to do it and you do it anyway, that's when magic happens. When you keep showing up. And then the love affair begins. You start to love yourself. Then the universe trusts you.
Let's do this.
Sales is not an active battle. A lot of people look at it as an active battle. It's not. It's a process of discovery. It's figuring out exactly what it is you want, and up to me to figure out if I can give that to you. Ask the questions, have the conversation, so that the other person is essentially playing poker with their cards face up.
Anybody that's successful in any field is focused, and so it's just I guess just an encouragement to stay focused on what's really important to drive your business forward. It's easy to have shiny object syndrome, and so just the encouragement to just stay focused on what's important to drive what's important in your life, whether it's in your business or your family.
When I started Legacy Family, it was, I think I only had like 10 short-term rentals that we were managing. Now we're at 35. I like being around so many people that have like a whole lot of different backgrounds, different specialties as well too.
If you want to dominate next year, if you really want to change your business, I want you to think about Tupac.
Yeah, clear enough for you. All right. Yeah. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz.
You guys got excited for a second. I know you did. But
Don't be funny right now. I need you to focus. Focus. Don't be funny. Don't draw attention. Don't draw attention. Come on.
Now when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run.
I said I.
Or you can face everything and rise.
I believe.
And let me tell you what I believe.
I believe that.
I believe we gon' face everything
I believe
and
that we
rise.
will win. Hear me say.
Legacy Family, not for the weak. Is that it?
That's it.
That's all you want me to do?
That's all I want you to do.
Oh my gosh.
Nice job.
Oh, thanks.
It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up.
The big thing about the workouts is like, you know, it's Legacy Family, the symbol's a torch and all that, and it's like that torch has got to get from point A to point B at some point. You got a lot of distance to go, a lot of things to do. You know, this body's going to take you there, so love those guys. It's going to be not long enough until I see them again, so.
It is Legacy Summit Day 2. And guess who's starting us off? Who? Brian Manley!
Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins.
People come for the money, they stay for the relationships and the culture.
If you're only keeping people for the money, it's commodifying your business, and it's just like somebody hiring whoever gives them the lowest price. So anybody who looks and goes, you're riding high now, you don't have to do any of these things. Look, sleep on the floor after 15-hour days, wake up with a heart and body hurt. But they get to be part of the journey. There's buy-in to who you are. You're not Superman.
What I love about not only Tim, but about Tim's tribe is the transparency that's in the room. Does that make any sense? Right? No one's coming in here trying to show off something that they're not, or, I mean, you got people in sandals. Look at this. These are great. The flops right there, man. Come on. Like, that guy's not trying to impress anybody, right? Right? I love that.
Phoenix means rebirth, right? And I think that's a pretty good fitting theme for this event. The key here is to give ourselves a little bit of a rebirth, right? To refine so we can be more efficient, so we can be more effective and more dynamic moving into the new year and absolutely crush it.
The biggest thing that I know that Tim brings to the table at Legacy Family is just bringing really good people, authentic, just naturally good people. And every time we get together, we learn something new. We're able to grow together and leave with good contacts. So Legacy Family means exactly what it says, family.
Hey, and that's a wrap. Hopefully you guys had an amazing time at the Legacy Summit here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. Sunny, gorgeous, tons of fun. The team did an amazing job planning this. I got to give them huge accolades, send a big thanks to Annalise and Alyssa and the entire team for planning and organizing this event. I think everything was on point, right? The speakers were on point, the panels were on point, the networking was amazing, the roundtable hot seats, and obviously all the social events are always an absolute riot. I am super, super excited to invite you guys to the next Legacy Summit. It's going to be taking place, mark your calendars, February 28th and 29th at the Royal Sonesta Hotel and Resort on Bourbon Street in downtown historic New Orleans, Louisiana.
In the South Lane, there's